family of 5 pays $76 for movie tickets. Adult tickets are $20. Kids are $12. How many of each? It feels like guesswork, but it's not. It's a puzzle with a precise answer, and the key is a concept called simultaneous equations. Imagine two straight roads crossing on a map. That single point of intersection is what we're after. When we solve two equations simultaneously, we're finding the one specific coordinate that makes both equations true. Graphing shows you the meeting point, but algebra gives you its exact address, even if it's a messy fraction. Our first tool is substitution. This is your go-to when one equation basically hands you the answer, like y equals 3x minus 1. It's telling you that y is just another name for 3x minus 1. So you substitute that expression for y in the other equation. Instantly, a two-variable problem collapses into a simple equation you already know how to solve. Our second tool is elimination. This works best when both equations are lined up neatly. The goal is to make one variable vanish. Take x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 4. Notice the plus y and the minus y? They're perfect opposites. If you add the two equations together, the y's cancel out, leaving you with 2x equals 14. The variable is eliminated. A quick rule to remember: same signs, subtract. Different signs, add. Sometimes the numbers don't match up. That's when you can multiply one or both equations to force a match before eliminating. This is the power move that lets you solve any system. It's how you turn that ticket problem into two clear equations, one for the number of people, a plus c equals 5, and one for the money, 20a plus 12c equals 76. By solving them, you discover the answer isn't a guess, it's exactly 2 adults and 3 children. This isn't just abstract math. It's a logical framework for solving real-world puzzles, from managing a business supply chain to balancing a chemical reaction. It's the tool for finding the one precise point where different conditions meet.